If you're gonna have, if you want a Minecraft map, this is what you're gonna want to do, and you're gonna want to go to your Play Store. I think this only works on Android, so sorry. And you're gonna go right here to Minecraft map, and maps for Minecraft PE. You're gonna click on this one, and you install it. Okay. Then this is how it looks. Looks the exact same way. Right there. Click right here. Let's see. Oh, what the? Alright, anyways, that's gonna be it. Gonna be going to like what maps you want. Featured maps. Everything like this. I like this one. Okay. So I'm gonna get this one. You're gonna click on it. And then you're gonna click install. And you will need to have Minecraft E for this, duh. So after it says that your map has been downloaded, you're gonna want to open Minecraft PE. So now you open Minecraft and you should click play. You have to look for the name. Sometimes they give it weird names. And like chances like what the heck is this? Oh yeah, it's this one. And I hope you guys like that tutorial. This is Star Wars Rebels, I think. No, it's not. Why did it say Rebel? Yeah, the Millennium Falcon. This must have taken someone like ages to build. Oh my gosh. And that is how you install maps for your Minecraft PE. And bye.